James Braithwaite here, and look what I've got back. The Black Beauty has come back from all her insurance work since Mr. Magoo went and smacked the front up, and as an added bonus I've had these black SXI lights fitted, because angel eye lights are illegal now, judging by what I've heard, and excuse me, also they're bastard expensive. They've done my mate Romy, who lives above me, has done a beautiful job of spraying, and around here, what can we not see anymore? The dings from the previous owner. They've been pulled out now, so it's looking resplendent here. I mean, it's not quite all done because I've got to fit a new stainless steel rear box, which I have recently purchased. There. I had to get some flexi pipes as well, but that should all fit okay. And it's all looking resplendent, as I said. And these lights are really, really bright. I'm going to fit some yellow lamps in the fog lights, because that's a bit better now. For driving at night, and also if I decide to drive outside of England, which isn't Wales. Okay. Just a last look around. Oh, hello. Maybe he's after the cat in the exhaust. Anyway. I took the rears off because I was missing one. So, just a final look around. And there we have it. James Braithwaite here, signing off.